Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiondra, also known as Key, and if you are new, make sure to go down below, hit that subscribe button as well as the bell button so that you'll be notified every time that I post a new video. As you can see, I have my little sister here.
My name is Jamisha.
So today, we're actually going to be attempting to make a layered cake. So we're going to be making like a strawberry and white cake. And this isn't going to be like from scratch, but we're just doing something for fun. So we're just going to go through and share with y'all like our ingredients and tools that we have to make this cake. So I'm going to start with the cake mix. So we have 2 boxes of these Pillsbury strawberry cake mixes, and then we got this Duncan Hines white mix.
We have white decorative icing, pink decorative icing, and blue decorative icing. That's gonna go on each layer.
It's gonna be like for decoration and stuff, but she's gonna be putting some of this white frosting in between each layer. And we have some non-stick cooking spray. We have some mixing bowls. We obviously have some eggs. I'm gonna have our oil and water and stuff. And then we need to get our measuring cups out and stuff, but we also have this, I don't even know what you call this, icing spatula. Yeah, icing spatula. Then we just have some butter knives and spoons, some mixing spoons. We have some round cake pans. We have 4 of them. We're still not sure if we're gonna do 3 layers or 4 layers. And then we obviously have these little things to use for decorating that you put the icing in, icing bags. And yeah, and we don't have a cake display, so what we're going to do is we're going to innovate, and we're going to use this pizza pan to display our cake on. We also have our oven set to 325 degrees. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to spray each of these cake pans with some non-stick cooking spray. Even though we're not sure if we're going to do 3 or 4 layers, we're still going to go through and do each one just in case. We're going to start with our strawberry cake mix, and I'm going to let her do the white one, and we're just going to mix this stuff up. We're going to pour these cake batters into the pan. So I don't think we're going to need this box right here. So we're just going to see how it turns out in the 4 that we have. so as you can see, we have all the cake batter in our round cake pans. We're just gonna place them in the oven, and we're gonna leave them in there for about 33 minutes or less. So we just took the cakes out of the oven. So this is how they're looking.
Edible.
Right. So they was in there less than the time that we had it in there. So that's pretty good, but they're done. So we're just gonna let them cool off. Then when they're done cooling, we're going to be decorating. So how I've seen it done is by taking a butter knife and kind of just going around and then taking it out. Oh my gosh, please let this go. I'm scared. Okay, white, pink, white, okay. I'm scared. Hey! Okay, now let me try to flip it over without.
See, that's how you know I did mine good. Came out perfect.
How it looks. 4 layers, and it's strawberry white, strawberry white. So now we're going to take some icing. Okay, I know y'all didn't see us doing the whole decor process, but you know what? This was a complete fail. Like, look, what is this? I'm pissed. I keep seeing all these cake decor videos and they be getting so smooth. This don't look smooth to me. I want the whole cake to be blue and have some type of decorations on the side and all this other stuff. But no, she over here just worried about digging into it. So what we're gonna do is we just gonna cut the cake and see what it looks like. The top looks fine, but the rest of this does not. Bring this plate over here.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh.
Ready? 1, 2.
Dang, just frosting on there.
Look, see, look, y'all, the inside not a fail. Look how pretty that is. Y'all see that?
Because of me.
Nice. But this outside ain't it.
I need to do a taste test.
We're gonna do a taste test for y'all. Get over here so they can see.
Hey, can you give me time?
Girl.
I'm scared. Damn, love candies. It's really good. I'm gonna eat this whole cake if you want one.
I'm gonna eat it. I'm just mad at my decoration. Yeah, guys, that was me and my sister attempting to make a layered cake. It all went well until we got to the decoration part, but yeah, I'm gonna eat this cake because it looks good on the inside. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any baking tips as far as icing, please comment them down below ASAP.
XL Rocky.
Make sure to comment them down below because I need icing tips on how to make it smooth, okay? Because this is not how I picture my cake to look. It's not. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next video. Bye.